What I have here was intended to be a Christmas present, but it's reportedly so cool that it just can't wait, and I've been beckoned by the purchaser of the gift to open it early. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here and share it with y'all. Now, I already know what's inside this package. It's a Michael Myers figure, but not just any Michael Myers figure. It is a handmade Michael Myers figure. The artist is from the Ukraine, and according to my girlfriend, he is super talented. So without further ado, let's see if what's inside lives up to the hype. Oh, by the way, the artist's name is Andre Zam. There's his name on the front of the box. Andre Zam, handmade artist. There's also a sticker on the box that says, handmade with love. That's very nice. He made this for me with love. Do you think NECA makes their figures with love? Do you think Funko makes their figures with love? I don't know about you, but I love love. All right, enough of that. Here we go. Opening the box. And it is nicely packaged. We've got, here's the artist's card. On Andre Zam's workshop. In Handmade, we trust. Andre Zam 88 on Instagram and Andre Zam S Workshop on Etsy. I'll post those links in the description. And inside we have got, not sure if that's a sticker or not, but there's Wonder Woman. Here is, what's his name from the X-Men? He was in the Deadpool movies. Colossus. And we've got Magneto. All right, cool. So let's see, where's the figure at here? Oh boy. All right, so there's three pieces. There's the body and the two arms, which you attach to the body. So, all right, here we go. Oh, cool. Oh, man. This is sweet. He's got hair and everything, like real hair. Check that out. All right, let's get his arms out here. Let's get the full on. All right, so one arm is Michael holding the blade in a very aggressive, very threatening manner. The other arm is Michael reaching out to probably just to grab you, to pull you in for an embrace, I'm sure. That's, yeah. Oh, cool. There's like magnets. Yeah. Oh, cool. So the arm just kind of like, that's really cool. That's one way to keep the arm where it should be. It's magnetized. How cool is that? Yeah, both arms are magnetized to keep them where they're supposed to be. And this thing is so freaking cool. This thing is like super detailed all the way from the mask, the jumpsuit, the hands, the boots, the hair. Love the hair. The knife is blood spattered. The mask looks fantastic. It's nicely weathered and dirty looking. A pet peeve of mine when it comes to some Michael Myers figures is that the masks are way too clean. I like my Michael Myers masks to be a little soiled, a little dirty, a little cruddy. You've got the sewing needle wound on the side of Myers' neck with some blood around it. And just look at those eyes. Those blank, pale, emotionless eyes. The devil's eyes. And again, the hair, the fact that this figure has actual hair, Very nice. There's a lot of great detail in the jumpsuit to make it look wrinkly and worn and just kind of nasty looking. And that's another pet peeve of mine when it comes to Michael Myers figures, is that the jumpsuit is way too clean. It's like a brand new, spotless, freshly washed and pressed jumpsuit on Michael Myers. I mean, can you imagine Michael taking the jumpsuit to the cleaners to have it professionally cleaned and pressed so that it looks fresh and new? And then the day before Halloween, he goes to the cleaners and with the mask on, of course, pays them, picks up the jumpsuit, takes it back home, and hangs it up in preparation for Halloween. The arms look really cool. The hands look good. Some nice detail in the hands. And I like the pose. I like the arm reaching out to grab you, while the other arm is holding the knife to, I don't know, probably cut you a slice of pie. That's it. Maybe Michael's reaching for a nice, fresh apple pie that he's going to, cut into pieces for you. He's a convivial host. I also like that the collar is turned up on the jumpsuit. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this figure. It's super cool. The sculpt is fantastic. There's lots of detail. The mask is cool. The hair is cool. The eyes are really cool and kind of creepy. Andre definitely nailed the eyes. They are they're almost hypnotizing. Stick around to the end of the video. I'll post some more up close and personal footage of this figure, and I'll post Andre's information in the description, the link to his Etsy page and to his Instagram. And judging by the level of craftsmanship in this figure, I'm going to guess that the rest of his work is also top-notch. Pizowell from the future here now. I've checked out Andre's Etsy page, and he only has one of these Myers figures left. The figure is made of resin from a silicone mold, acrylic paint, varnish, doll hair, and neodymium magnets. It's 22 centimeters tall and 8 centimeters wide. Andre also has Pennywise, Venom, Hellboy, and other creations available on his Etsy profile, and all of his work looks killer. And a huge shout out to my girlfriend for purchasing me this figure for Christmas and for forcing me to open it early, because honestly, I had some reservations about opening it early. I generally don't like to open Christmas gifts early. She twisted my arm. Eventually, I caved. And I'm glad I did, because this is a sick figure. Thank you. Let me know your thoughts on this figure down in the comments section below. Also, if you've not entered my 50K subscriber Bad Michael Myers mask giveaway, do so now. I will be announcing the winners of that giveaway on the 19th of this month, before my Silent Night, Bloody Night live watch-along. So follow the link in the description and enter for your chance to win your very own Bad Michael Myers mask today. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and share it on social media. If you're not following me on social media, those links are in the description. I hope you all out there are having a great, safe, healthy, happy, and horror movie-filled holiday season. Take care, and until next time, peace. A huge shout out to all my patrons and channel members. I greatly appreciate your generosity and support of my channel. Become a patron today and get early access to videos, have a say in what movies I review, and join me for patron-only live streams. Become a channel member today and get access to exclusive badges and emotes to use when I stream. Those links are in the description. Say hello to the internet, Jeremy.
Hello to the internet.